Hey guys, so today we will be doing a Netflix like app using Flutter, but we'll be using the MovieDB API. So let's get started. Let me pull up the project real quick. Okay, so same as last time, I already have my API set up, API class. This is a single function. Just try to get the calls and of course the adaptive that Dart just for adaptive purposes. So let's get started. So first things first, I have made an API for the MovieDB. I fixed them and turned them into collection here in Postman. So as you can see, I have the popular movies right here already with the responses we need. So let's go ahead and copy the base URL, which is I think we'll only be doing movie, but either way, so do it like this. Copy and paste it on our URI. As you can see, there's a slash in here, so we don't need to put the additional slash here. And okay, so we got that set up. Next thing we do. So first thing we're gonna do is get the popular movies, or let's just get the now showing. Yeah, now showing is better. So we're gonna use the now showing API, but before that, it the API requires API key. So go ahead and go to their website and just make an account. You can get your API key from there. So this I'm just gonna put it here. We're just gonna make a class strings. Let's make it abstract. So let's put our API key right here. Let me just copy paste. So there we go. API key. Okay. So at the end of request, there will always be an API key, right? So these are the list of the API we can use from their website. As you can see, I'll be using the movies this time. So yeah, we'll just use movies this time. So we can just put the slash movie right here. So yeah, yep, that's right. And then I think we can just put it here as a API underscore key. So we don't have to do it like all over again. We don't have to call it all the time. Import. So yeah, we get the path, right? Movie slash path question mark API underscore key. So yeah, we have our API set up, API class. Now we can go back and we can create the actual thing. Okay, so first things first, what do we want to do? Of course, we want a column. Let's put a text that says now showing. Okay, so it's up above. It's now on our status bar, so just put safe area. There we go. And I think I'm gonna add a padding directly from the text because we don't need padding on the movie list. So we'll just do this. Sorry. Okay, I'll do 16. Yeah. And let's just put a style on this one. We can use the theme, so that headline. There we go. I try to use this style. I do all my styles like this, so it will be easier on the long run. You see, when the project scales, you can easily change this on your theme. You can have a theme file, and then yeah. So we need the actual widget, right? To show our list. Get movie item. Let's do this. It will be a list view, that builder. I'm just gonna code things right here. Okay, so we actually need a height for this one though. Need to wrap it with a height. There we go. I have a list, but it's too big, and item counts with say 6. And for the axis, there we go. Scroll direction. Okay. Just do 12s, and let's see. Okay, so it's now doing its work. And now we have to do our now we have to do the UI for our movie item right here. So it's in a container with a text. We need a custom width for this. Let's put a color, and we need a margin, of course. Okay, as you can see, it's now looking a bit weird, but it's working. So we're fine with that. And of course, let's just put our rect to do the border radius for us, because we're gonna put image later. Oops, because of the margin. I think we will do padding. Yeah, padding is inside. We'll do this instead. There we go. So this one should be all 8. Okay, and let's just add a bit more width. It's not looking good. So let's move our now showing. There we go. So we can get the movies. But we need to fix it. We want the title to be below it. Just put a line widget. Align that. Oh, sorry. I meant that bottom right. Oh no, I want left. Bottom left. There we go. We can just get this style from this guy. This time we'll do. Is that like 5 over? I don't know. 6 maybe. This thing. I'm just checking how will this look. Okay, so it's not bad. white, so it looks like it looks amazing. Okay, so now we have the UI for now showing, and thing we need to do now is get the data from the API. So to do that, we'll make a class. Again, I'm using getX for this. If you want me to use other state management, just comment down what you want to see. For this time, I'm just using getX for convenience. Yeah, sorry. Okay, so I'm using movie controller, getX controller, and right here with the fetch now showing. But before that, we need a model for this. So let's just copy everything inside. Go to our website, go to JSON app.quicktime.io, space it in there, and it will do all the hard work for us. So, and just rename it right here. Now showing model, copy everything, go to your models, start from now showing model. Okay, there we go. We have our models set up for us. Let me just change the doubles to single quotes. So we now have our models. Now what we want to do is get that. So we'll make a feature to fetch the now showing movie. Make it asynchronous, and there we go. We use try catch. Wait, we use the thing we did. We could just clean up the code later, but for now, let's just make it work. If something went wrong, then it will probably just be here. And now we have to call the API for this. Whenever equals API.get, we need to import it, API.get, and then what's the thing we need? It's now playing. So we use the now play. Then we return, we use compute, of course, make an isolate. I always use this, by the way. So now showing model from JSON, rest up body. So there we go. We have a beautiful, but wait, doesn't end in a return statement. Let's return that one for now. Okay, so we have our controller finished. Now let's go back and actually implement this. We have our init state. So the thing we need is the now showing model futures. Now showing future. That, and then we'll also do movie controller. Controller is equals to, let's not initialize it there. We'll just make a separate function for that. Movie controller is equals to get output. Next is the now showing future is equal to, we'll return here the movie controller that fetch showing movies, and just call this setup on the init state, and we're good. So now we're calling the future, we're initializing movie controller or instantiating movie controller. Now we just need the widget that will handle this. So so I'm thinking to put it here. We'll not use string builder. We'll just use a normal future builder with a future of now showing future. And in here, we need to check for the connection state. Waiting. So if it's waiting, we just return a center of adaptive activity indicator. And we need to instantiate our model right here. So now showing snapshot that data. Okay, so now we have that. We're gonna need the results. Okay. Total pages 48, total results 956. Okay, we'll just worry about that later. So now showing final movie is equals. We'll make a movie right here. Results the result is the actual data, so it's called results, but here it's called result. So yeah. So we need to put this on our widget. Movie, put it right there. Now we're gonna use this one. So say movie dot. So we can see all the properties of our movie here. So we got title, which is what we need. So just use it. Okay, so this might crash because we have we just made the model a while ago. So let's just hot restart it. So that's for loading, and here we go. We can already get the list. So as you can see, our first page of now showing. It's obviously, yeah, it's nice. Now we need to get, of course, the picture of this one. So see what we can do. Height with align bottom left. So we need I think we need a stack because the picture is behind and his image and network. Excuse me. Then just call movie dot backdrop. I think this one. Okay, so it's not showing up, right? Yeah, it's not showing up because this is the only thing that the image that was trying to load. It's not a full URL. It's uh, just the path of it, just like this one. So we need to put this in here. So we'll just put it on our strings, make things simple. Image URL. Got that. Strings the image. Okay, so we need to import it first. Image URL slash and then the background path. So it should work. Okay. As you can see, it's now working, but not looking great yet. So let's put a fit property on our image and use backfit.cover. Okay, we need to wrap it in a container, maybe. Height, context that height. There we go with context that width. But the padding is, there we go. We just put a padding on our text separately so that doesn't affect the picture. There we go. It's not looking good. Maybe reduce this one. Okay. Now we want to make. Let's just add a Hmm. Let's add a decoration. Let's add a backdrop on this one. So back shadow, box shadow, color step black 54. Spread radius. Is it working? I don't think it. I don't think it's working. So maybe we need to move this. Ooh, look at that. I think carousel would be better here. Yeah, maybe we'll use carousel for our now showing. So let's get into it. Flutter Carousel. Let's just install it real quick. But of course, we're not null safety yet. So let's pick the one without the null safety. So this is pre-release, so this one is safe. We can pub get without any problems, I think. There we go. Now let's go back and so this is a movie item. Movie item, and then feature builder series. So let's change our list view to carousel. So let's see how we can use this one. We got carousel, copy paste. There we go. Options. It also has options. Let's make the same height. Items. So items. Is infinite scroll by default true? Yes. Need that. Next, we need this. The items. Okay. Paste this. Oh, that's weird. We can do this. We can map it and change this to movie. And we can just return this with the movie in it. So let's just run it again. And let's see. Okay, movie. I think this should work fine. There should be no errors or whatever. But we'll see. Okay, it's loading. Cruella. Holy. Okay, so it's no carousel as you can see. It's snapping back. Oop. Oops, what happened? Okay, so it's snapping back, right? It's because we have our width. That's why. There we go. We have a very good looking now showing thing right there. Now we just need to customize it a little bit. Aspect ratio. Let's try to enlarge center page. There we go. Just trying out here or something. Double aspect ratio viewport. So I think the viewport needs to change. Okay. Maybe it's because of the padding. There we go. Now it's better. Look at that. It's now looking good. Next, what do we want to see in here? Oh, I want to see the box shadow, but it's not doing anything. There we go. Looks something. Hmm. Interesting. It's too black for me, so I just adjust everything here. I think that'll do for now. You know what? Let's just remove it for now. Leave it like this. Okay, so what do we want to see? Now we're showing genres, ID, language, overview, popularity. Popularity. Vote count. Oh, it has a vote average. Maybe let's just put uh beside the title. Beside the title we can make a row. Maybe. Okay, so we need the alignment. Okay, move it at read vote average. Then let's just put like /10 so people can actually see the ratings. It's so cool already. It's looking nice. Okay, so what else do we want to add? Is adult. Maybe we can put R18 above it. Let's put it at the end. So if it's R18, then just do it like this. Move it at adult. If it's adult, then put R18, else put nothing. As you can see, there's nothing. There's no R18 movie right now. So yeah. And it's infinite scrolling. Okay, so we're finished doing the now showing. Next thing we can do, think, is just copy paste this one. Put a size box real quick. Think we can do the popular ones. Popular. Okay. So we have the popular one and okay. We just need to change this one to list view builder. Like what we did a while ago. Okay, sorry, what is happening? Okay, we need to make a movie right here real quick. And let's fix this indentions. Okay, there we go. Scrolling up. Item count is now showing the results that count and the length. And then physics, scroll direction, axis the horizontal. And what happened? Let's see where we went wrong. So I restarted. Incoming strain with constraints are unbounded. Because we removed the width. So let's make a new one. Get popular item. Width is 140. We need to hide for this. It's horizontal. Yeah, shows that length. What? It's not showing anything. Oh, there we go, it works. But when you use this, it's not. Oh, because we're not using this. Okay. There we go. Now it works. Now let's just bring back the height and the width of the image. Okay, so it looks like this. Can we see the Netflix UI? Let's check if we can do something similar. Oh, so it looks like this. Just the image, right? Yeah, let's just do image. And the R18 maybe. Nice. Maybe there's another image. Poster path. There we go. Say poster path we can use. I don't know what this looks like for now, but we'll see. We have the padding. Top right. Stack. Cleaner. Okay, there we go. I think this is a uh, better poster. Let's just fix her width and height real quick. Okay, look at those. Look at that, guys. This poster is better than. I think we'll just change the posters for this. So let's change the backdrop to poster path because it looks more awesome. There we go. Let's just hot restart our app and let's see how it loads. So it loads like that. And as you can see, it's really easy to implement the API calls and whatnot. We just used a single function, as you can see, and just made a controller from getX, set it up, put it in init state, and we just build the UI from there. And so it's so easy. Yeah, I'll just leave you to the UI, guys. Do whatever you think is nice. And thank you for watching. And I'll see you in the next video. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Thank you. Appreciate you.